professional empowerment for industry, reliable production for working conditions. This is a grand delivery and acceptance site. The platform before you is a customer-built full-link fixed scissor lift platform, tailor-made for our salient in Wuhan. It is mainly used for the assembly and maintenance of hydraulic support full-link mechanism, helping customers solve core pain points of traditional operations, unstable support, inaccurate positions, and insufficient safety. It features a rated load capacity of 10 tons vertical force and 4 tons lateral force, with a platform size of 2,000 by 1,200 millimeters and a lifting stroke of 3.2 meters. Functions include arbitrary hovering throughout the full stroke, automatic limit at extreme position, and no load and overload protection. It is also equipped with controllable emergency, lowering in case of failure, red emergency stop power off, cut off, and local plus remote zero control. It performs stable weather force workshop assembly or on-site maintenance. The electric control system adopts top brand confidence with the protection grade of IP56, and the hydraulic system meets cleanliness, standards, durable, and reliable. Quality equipment allows no compromise. Professional solutions bring greater peace of mind. We specialize in manufacturing of various lifting equipment. If you have customized needs, feel free to leave a comment below.